From the moment you walked into my life, I knew you were something special.
Just wake up, look at me.
Whiskers and your beautiful eyes. Just one look and I'm under your spell.
Messages like
Oh yeah.
have so many messages.
You curl up on my lap, oh so warm and cozy. Purring and nuzzling, you make me feel so free. You chase after strings and toys with such grace. I can't help but smile with every playful chase.
Yeah, last night it's been like
love like Kitty, oh yes, it's true.
Because
bring so much joy, I'm always loving you. With your purrs and your cuddles, you're my number one.
my niece messaged me and said, Mommy, it's my birthday here and there. Even though I'm busy, I need to drop everything to be with them. Especially, my nieces, they're kids that don't really go out or
Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time.
and see my
Yummy, 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 yummy.
that kind of feelings that I've been shut down myself for a while for anything and everything. It's just my choice. I think I prioritize someone, or I prioritize things up. That's why it's happened. And yeah. And then now I am back in TikTok. Here I am again. Sorry guys, it's just like, oh gosh, it's like already what time now? Because of my baby, make me sleep really nice and and I don't have plan to get out in bed. No, last night I've been listening with all the music, with all the TikTok things, watching here and there. I did not even feel that I'm alone. Make me feel happy, smile, and cry in the same time. That's emotional messages that hit through in here. And all that's all the drama, all the songs, and like, oh my god. No, this is my baby. I miss my baby. This is my my princess is not around. She's not here with me. And this is my princess, Teddy, baby. I decided to bring with me, to travel with me anywhere I go. If I go to the hospital and then this one is in my bag, and then I take it out, sit down and hugging it, and somehow everyone see it is just looking at me like, oh, what's wrong with this old lapon lady? But yeah, thank you guys so much, and apology, I just wake up, and thanks for my ninja and my lions called me early on and all the commented and everything. Thank you guys so much. And like I said, excuse myself, I just wake up and look at myself. It's like, okay, but being lean, being crazy, this is here. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much to all my followers. I am back. And we're gonna find a good spot and we're gonna do dancing again. Dancing in the way to make us relax. Yeah, I want to go somewhere, and I'm planning to look for someone who's the one doing the motorbike rides. And I'm trying to go to Antipolo Church, after Antipolo Church, and then I go to place that where we've been last time. I just want to go experience some other things out of town. I'm very kind of person that I love outdoor. Time for me to get out and look for the place that I really want to be. I know I can't go fishing in here because I don't have fishing rod. I don't have a boat. The only things I go to seaside and walk around. But like, I think I just need to go to the bush. I go to the mountain. But like I have something in my head already. I just need someone that have a good motorbike can travel that far. And like, yeah, if you one of them, please message me.